chimichangas tonight. Come with me. Go ahead and start slicing up about 4 of your chicken breasts in half. I'm going to post our seasonings on the screen for you to screenshot. All of these pair so well together. Stir that up, and then you're going to just pour that all over your chicken. You're going to use your tongs or your hands or whatever you want to go ahead and get that all over your chicken. I added some of my keto blend oil to my pan, and we're going to cook these on each side for about 10 minutes. I'm going to dice up some baby bella mushrooms, tomatoes, jalapenos. I'm going to add all this to a pan, and we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Once your chicken is ready, we're going to transfer this to a bowl, and then we're going to shred it. I used a hand mixer. You can also use a blender or a fork if that's easier for you. Once your veggies are done, you're going to go ahead and add this into your chicken, and you're going to stir it up very well. For your low-carb tortilla, I use Extreme Wellness all the time. Go ahead and start packing up your tortillas. I only did about 4 of these, and I still have plenty of my chicken left for leftovers. These are not big, they're about hand size. Go ahead and bring up some olive oil in a pot to temper. We're going to drop these bad boys in until golden brown. Only after a couple of minutes, these came out perfectly. But what's a chimichanga without cheese dip? You can make your own, or you can buy some. This is what I had on hand. I paired this with some broccoli and chopped romaine with some sour cream, and guys, I nailed this. Let me know if you try it. Follow for more.